All stories are about you, and you have to find yourself in the story. If you don't find yourself in the story, you didn't read it right. Rumi is important because he talks about issues that are essential in the lives of every human being. No matter what race, what gender, what religion you come from, you can still benefit from the teachings of Maulana Rumi. He's talking about you. He's giving you your story. He's gonna walk with you, hold your hand, and guide you to make you the perfect version of yourself.
از کجا آمدم؟ آمدنم بهر چی؟ با کجا میروم؟ آخر ننمایی وطنم. What was the purpose of my coming here? Where am I at? And where then am I going? That is the story that Rumi unveils through this book.
One might think that a poet who lived 800 years ago in Balkh, Afghanistan, might not have anything to say to us in our modern time. But it's the exact opposite, because he is dealing with human essence, in the human nafs, the ego, the desire, the passion, in the human heart, in the human soul. Those never change. Every Persian poet, if you read their books, they all talk about firaq, about separation, except Rumi. It's all about wisal, it's about connection. He gives you 26,000 plus lines how to connect. You are every character in the story, but you change at different stages of your life. How to live a life worth living. This is the essence of Maulana Rumi's teaching. Everyone who has any desire for life, desire for knowledge, desire for ethics, they would love this book and they would enjoy this book and they would benefit from this book. I am Feraidoon Mojadedi. This is the heart of the Masnawi. Let's begin.